Hi friends, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra and here I want to talk about something very precious we all go through every day, decisions. Decisions can start from choosing an ice cream between the chocolate and vanilla, and the decisions can be huge between choosing the branches and the colleges. Decisions can be at every stage divided into two parts, what your heart says and what your mind thinks. And there's always a conflict in this world between the heart and the brain. As they classically say, heart is your king and brain is the advisor. Heart, just like the king, will know where to follow, what to do, but has to turn towards the brain many times for the proper advice. Otherwise, the progress might not be in the same direction, which is progressive. Sometimes the king has to overrule the advisors. Reason? Because they always have a better view, which is broader, and they also understand the feel in the surrounding things. There is something inside your brain that might say stop, and the heart might just whisper once more. This is a classical conflict that always goes in. Going from the menu card on the food table, going to the menu card of life. So what you decide that you eat. So it's a very, very careful thing. It can be eating for your appetite or it can be an appetite for your soul. It can just be intellect. And why not to talk about a classical story here? Talking about Colonel Sanders, who lost his dad when he was 5, who was a dropout at the age of 16, had already lost or moved out or thrown out of 5 jobs by 17, got married at 18, and his wife moved out at 20 with the kid. And Colonel Sanders thought, let me just become an assistant chef in one of the local restaurants, from where he finally retired at the age of 65. And then one fine day he was thinking that I should just finish off my life, write down the will. And then his brain was just blocked and the heart just said, let's try something once more. Why not to do something which the world can't do better than him? And he kept on asking, was he good at something? And then he thought that he could make chickens and he could fry chickens the way nobody else could. And he followed his heart. The brain said, the challenges are for the young. The heart said, let's have a go at it. And today, we all know about KFC. At the age of 88, Colonel Sanders is absolutely a ruler when it comes to the food chain or the business. Imagine if it just had been about the brain. It is your heart that can propel you. Make decisions. Listen to the king. Keep taking the advices, but listen to the king. Because they always say that a good heart is better than a million brains. Thank you.